This channel is estimated to be able to make thousands of dollars a month. Now, it's probably not too accurate, but it doesn't change the fact that it's a really successful channel with a grade of A-. I guess you could call this the story niche. Just take a look for yourself.
One day a man was fishing by the river, when suddenly the man slipped and fell into the water. There were stones in the water and the man got hurt. "Help me!" the man screamed, but no one could hear him. A dog appeared on the other side of the river. The dog started barking at the man and then ran away.
The channel that posted this is on its way to hitting 1 million subscribers by posting these types of videos, so it clearly works. I mean, look at their view count. What's to say you can't do the same in another platform like TikTok, where you can also get paid through the creativity program? You can be one of the first to do this, so start today after watching this quick video so you can learn how to do it. Start by looking for a good story. I don't really like getting it from AI, but if you can somehow make ChatGPT generate a good story, go with that. But my go-to is always Reddit. You know, humans. I did a simple Google search. Interesting moral stories, Reddit. And I found this post with over 6,000 replies. That's a lot, so you don't have to worry about running out of any topics or ideas. There were a lot more results like this too, so you just have to do a bit of looking around. Usually the story would be something with a moral theme or ending, but this one I found has a really interesting ending and an amazing hook. That's what you gotta look for if you want to succeed in doing this. So I took the dialogue and put it into a Google Doc. I want to change the voice for the elderly lady and the elderly man that's in the story, and the narrator to make it more interesting. I went to 11 Labs and did my best to find the perfect voice using the voice library. After some trial and error, I found the voices, pasted in the text, and downloaded it. For the image, I used the best AI image generator in my opinion, Midjourney. The results aren't too consistent with each other, but that doesn't really matter. The only important thing is to make sure it portrays what's happening in an interesting or realistic way. If making them look outlandish suits the story, then definitely do that. That's why you should really consider investing in Midjourney. All of this is possible on free alternatives, but you're limited to an amount of images you could generate. If you mess up or it doesn't turn out the way you want it to, you can't really do much about it, so that's why Midjourney is goated. To make the images double the quality, I used this tool called Upscale. It's free to download and very easy to use. Let's get to the editing. On CapCut, import all the assets and align the images to the audio. I like to use this animation to keep the image moving and not static. Make sure to make it play throughout the whole clip. And start adding some effects like snow or this field of view blur trick I did by duplicating the images and adding a blur to them and masking it out to reveal the unblurred original version under it. For the subtitles, I did a green screen trick I do all the time. Just add a green screen overlay and add these fancy subtitles you would usually have to pay for. Correct any spelling mistakes and full screen the project window and screen record it. If the playback is a little laggy, just hide all the other layers below the green screen. Then import the recording you just did, key out the green screen, turn up the shadows and tolerance all the way, and now you have free subtitles. Daily life hacks type beat. I'll be adding copyright music since this is YouTube and not TikTok, but what you should do is add a popular music through the TikTok app, so you'll have the chance of showing up in the For You page of people who like posts under the same song, if that made sense. Here are the final results.
An elderly man was sitting alone on a dark path. He wasn't sure of which direction to go, and he'd forgotten both where he was traveling to and who he was. He remembered absolutely nothing. He suddenly looked up to see an elderly woman before him. She grinned toothlessly and with a cackle spoke,
"Now your third wish, what will it be?"
This is a short video but very valuable, so like it up. That's it.